Hello, marketer assassin here, and today we're going to be discussing how to market online. Basically, how to market online. Someone being good at marketing is utilizing all the social medias and building an audience, building a presence, an online presence, and bringing someone who wants to bring value to the online world. Who's trying to get audience, who's trying to drive traffic and all that thing and all that kind of stuff. Someone being good at marketing is who utilizes all that stuff, at their disposal, tools. And you can use a whole bunch of social medias to market through. You can use YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. If you don't know what LinkedIn is, it's like a professional presence website where you can build up a network, that you connect with people and etc. and all kinds of things. You can create your own website. You want to market online with. You can create excuse me. You can write a Twitter website. You can a page. You can make a Google Plus. You can make Tumblr. And those for you who don't know what Tumblr is, Tumblr. I didn't really understand Tumblr at first though, but it's a application website where you can make your own profile, this and that. You can promote or uh, create any content you want to do on there. So it's basically just another source of social medias. That's I didn't really understand it at first though, but I got help on it. And I got people to help me, my friends to help me make an account. So it's actually pretty simple. Definitely read into that, and you can use Twitch. A lot of people use Twitch, and you can also use Reddit. Reddit. Reddit is another social media you can use. I didn't really understand it at first, but with more research, I better understood what it was. So there's all kinds of social medias you can use though. But the thing about it is, most people you utilize who's really good at this stuff. They utilize all the social medias and they try to they make a balance of which social medias they want to use. Start off with first though, but sometimes it's always better to use one instead of being all over the place because it becomes when you're trying to and especially if you're trying to do this every day, and especially you being a beginner at this, and if you're trying to utilize all these social medias, which is really good though, but if you're trying to promote on every single one of them every day, that actually becomes very stressful. And I know this from experience when I first started off. You want to stick to one thing at a time though, or you just want to stick to one thing for a long period of time. And You being all over the place can drive you to become stressful. You can you can lose interest. You can lose this motivation, and you expect self gratification right then and there, and this is no get rich quick scheme. If anything you're trying to do when you're marketing and stuff like that, and there's all kinds of ways. We talk about how to become an affiliate marketer, how to market online properly, how to create your own website, how to create an online business, how to start an online business, how to grow your own YouTube channel, how to promote on Facebook, how to uh, become an affiliate marketer, how to do all these things, and how to make money quick and fast, easy online, simple ways. So we talk about all these things though, and some of it, and most of it is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to put in work and time and effort into doing this if you want to sustain a healthy income and a healthy mindset, because you being all over the place is gonna cause you to clutter and lose sight of what you're trying to do and things like that. So always stick to one thing, guys. And YouTube is a great way to stick to one thing. That's a great website, or you can use Facebook. It doesn't matter what you use. Twitter, if you're really good at something, it depends on what you're good at. And if you're good at vlogging or writing or whatever, there you might make vlogs. You might make multiple websites, your own websites, and there's ways you can make free websites. I'll make another video on how to do that, and all kinds of ways you can. If you want to use YouTube, I personally like YouTube because you can make unlimited videos and unlimited content. You can constantly keep posting, and it's easy. YouTube's easy, and I like making videos and helping people and guiding people to where they need to go and where they need to start to have a good successful online business. And I'll even leave a link down below to show you how to properly grow your YouTube channel, how to rank on, say if you're trying to promote or have you have a specific niche that you or a specific content you're trying to dish out, and you it actually is trending and it happens to be popular, you can actually rank your video above and higher than most people with a lot of views on their videos, and most YouTubers who have a lot of subscribers. You can rank yours above them with and anybody could do this with certain skills, certain tools, and certain ways and certain tags you can use to rank yours above certain people. So I'll leave a link in below to show you how you can do this, and I'll make another video on how you can actually use this tool. So definitely read into that, and um, you can definitely read into that, and there's all kinds of different courses and videos about internet marketing. This is basically showing you like um, ways you could do it, and it's very easy though. The concept of marketing is very easy. It's very simple. You just have to put in the work and be willing in the end, and don't expect self gratification right then and there. You have to put in work, and this is a long time and overtime deal. You have to that is happening for you to achieve. It's a long term goal. It's not quick and easy. You know what I'm saying? So definitely put in work. Change your mindset to success, and be willing to put to go that extra mile, and you might lose, you might win, but the thing about it is you don't stop. You want to keep going. You want to keep trying to drive traffic, and generate leads, and know your audience, engage with your audience, and that's very important. So there's all kinds of ways you can market online. It's very simple. And then for more details about how to market online, just you click the links below. And I hope this video was helpful and enjoyable, and I hope this help you learn something today, something new about the whole concept of how to market online, and the other, utilize all your social medias, and then you can also stick to just one. So, and subscribe if you want to know more information about how to create an online presence business, and uh, just do all that stuff. Then we do it all here, guys. So subscribe, like this video if it was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.